Hey everybody, Deadly Wolf here, and today I'm reviewing the Glock 17 Gen 5. This gun I just picked up at the e-bike superstore, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty hyped to check this gun out. I heard it's like this newer version of the Glock where it's improved and pretty good, so I've heard. So let's get this bad boy open up. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I did open this once already, and I felt it. But, I'm not gonna lie, this is a very nice gun. Ergonomically, this Airsoft gun feels very good. I haven't fired it yet. When I'm gonna shoot it, it's gonna be my first time ever shooting it. But I can tell you now, compared to my Airsoft 1911, this is much lighter. Ergonomically feels better, and even reloads better than my Jag Arms GM4 1911. So this is a very nice weapon. I really like it, and let's see what else it comes in within the box. In the box we have an Allen key and some extra little O-rings. And then also we have, let's see, like a return warranty thing and a manual. Let me just try. Wait a second. Okay. Oh, there you go. Right there, I have a little return manual in case I want to return it, and a little Glock manual. Basically just kind of like showing off the gun a little bit, trigger and all. So pretty long manual. Pretty nice. Alright, so now we're done with that. It's I think it's about time to get a little deeper dive onto this this beautiful pistol. So it is an Elite Force Glock 17 Gen 5, and it even has real markings, like on the bottom right here has numbers, and on I'm not sure if the lighting can get that, but there are numbers right there on basically the bolt, and on the slide has numbers right underneath that. Both the exact same, so that's pretty cool. When I cock it, it feels very nice, very smooth. Trigger's very nice as well. So I say I'm just excited. So let's just get right into this, guys. Let's just start shooting this. Alright guys, now I moved us to a little bit of a better position. So right now, just gonna not reload, but load in my these into this mag. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of like this mag. It feels very nice and light. You know, I actually really like it. I feel like it's very quality. It is $50 or $40 something on ebike.com, so I can definitely see where the quality is. So right there's the mag. Very shitty lighting, I know, but you know, there's the mag. Even has, I think it has the Glock logo right at the base plate, and little gas nozzle right there. Actually, I think there is a special way of putting the gas in. I haven't put the gas in yet. So we'll find out together. If I need a manual, I'll just pull up the manual later. Show you how to put the gas on it. So what you want to do is, there's a little thing at the bottom of the magazine that you have to kind of pull down on, and this will allow you to remove the base plate, which will lead you to a little gas right there. And that's a little gas valve. So now I'm gonna just slightly put it on, just so the part doesn't fly off. So there you have it, little gas valve. So now, after all that hard work, fill this bad boy up. Is it ready for gas? Well, I didn't check if I already had gas in it, but it sounds like I already had gas in this. It was dead quiet when I was putting it in. All right, and then to put it back in, just gotta pull that little thing down, push the base plate in, let it drop back down. So now, I won't be a big idiot, and now I'll properly put the BBs in this time. Be big brain now.
A little later.
Alright, now I finally am able to put this mag in. Very nice. Alright, so now we finally got the mag in and locked and loaded. So now I'm gonna be shooting at this here target. It's go time. Let's go a little distance. Woo! Is it shooting? Can't even tell if it's shooting. Oh my god, yeah, it's shooting. That is very quality. Like, this has no kick at all. It is very good on performance. I gotta admit, this is way better than my Jag Arms GM4. It is way better. This is a very quality airsoft sidearm, and it feels really good. So I'm gonna get one more shot of just me shooting the gun. I'm not gonna dry fire it, of course, because there's no point in that. But yeah, I guess it was already filled with gas, which is kind of funny. That or it just quietly filled itself. Oh, I won't fill it all the way. Because I'm a little lazy. Alright, now I'm going to get a little reload on. Whew. Oh, that was smooth. Too bad I didn't get the fucking thing on camera, but you know, still good. Alright, so now, this is me shooting the gun. And we're out of gas. Alright, that was a great video, guys.
Much later.
Alright, and now we'll be able to finally, once again, shoot the gun. Alright. Alright, guys. Attempt number 2. Let's go at it. Kicks like a fucking tiger. Very nice. Very beautiful. It really, even one-handed, it has no kick. Like the 1911 I have. Okay, apparently the video ended, which I do not know which part it ended at. So I'm just gonna fill up my magazine and do 2 parts instead of redoing that whole section because once again, I'm lazy. You know, they never said it'd be easy making YouTube, but fucking Fuck you, bees. Alright. Oh, I love that. It gives me a boner every time I cock it. Alright. So, there you go with the shooting test. Alright. I'm going to have kind of this type of view on it. How do I switch the camera? No, it's fine. It is a very quality pistol. Like, I can't deny. It's a very beautiful pistol. So, my overall thoughts. This is my second ever Airsoft pistol. But fucking hell, is it way fucking better than what I originally had. Like, this is quality. This is quality. And I very much love this. So, good job on Elite Force on making this. Is a very good, very quality. And I'll definitely be using this in my, you know, Airsoft games. It is just so quality. And, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, you can subscribe and hit the bell. All right, gamers. See you later. See you on the field.
Day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night.